Looking for a unique centerpiece for your Christmas table? Christmas cupcake arrangements are your answer. This video will guide you in transforming simple treats into festive centerpieces in a straightforward, step-by-step process. By the end of this video, you will be able to create your very own festive Christmas cupcake arrangement. First things first, gather your ingredients. You'll need the basics for the cupcakes: flour, sugar, eggs, and so forth. Don't forget about frosting, the magic element that brings it all together. And for the festive touch, some decorative sprinkles. Once you have all your ingredients, you're ready to start baking. Now, the fun part begins: baking the cupcakes. Start by combining your chosen ingredients to create a smooth, velvety batter. Once you've achieved the perfect consistency, it's time to pour the mixture into your cupcake liners. Don't forget, this is your masterpiece, so feel free to use your favorite recipe. Next, place the filled liners into the oven and let the magic happen. As the sweet aroma fills your kitchen, anticipation builds. With your cupcakes baked and cooled, you're now ready for the most exciting part, the decoration. Now, it's time to transform these cupcakes into a festive centerpiece. Start by frosting your cupcakes evenly. You can use a piping bag for a more polished look. Add a dash of holiday spirit by decorating them with festive elements like edible glitter, sugar stars, or holiday-themed candy. Finally, arrange the cupcakes in a visually appealing manner. You could form a Christmas tree shape, or maybe a star. And there you have it, a beautiful cupcake arrangement that's sure to impress your guests this Christmas. Creating a festive Christmas cupcake arrangement is simple and fun. Remember, the joy of baking is in creating something delightful with your own hands. So let those creative juices flow. Try out different decorations, mix and match, make it your own. There's no limit to the festive cheer you can bring to your table. So go ahead, spread the joy, one cupcake at a time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more fun and easy baking ideas. Happy baking and Merry Christmas!